before you go, make sure to subscribe, drop an amazing comment, smash that like button, and hit the bell icon so every new video reaches you first. Trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming next.
From the highway, this looks like a giant Kenworth motorhome. But open that door, and the entire idea of an RV changes. Behind the windshield is a 3-story luxury concept designed to feel more like a private resort than a road trip vehicle. And the wildest space is still waiting upstairs. Stay with me, because the final reveal may be the part you least expect. Before we start, hit like, subscribe, and comment with the first room you would claim. The drive cabin sets an expectation. This is first a machine built to move, even though the concept treats each transition like a luxury hotel. You are not stepping from a truck into a basic camper. Each space serves a different need. On floor 1, the lounge establishes the social center before the bedroom introduces privacy. The kitchen supports long stays, while the bathroom keeps essentials self-contained. Finally, the office area creates separation for focused work on longer trips. Each space adds another piece of the residential puzzle, but the next floor is where comfort becomes personal. On floor 2, every room answers a practical demand. The massage area focuses on relaxation, the medication room addresses organization, and the laundry area supports everyday living. The gym brings fitness indoors, while the guest bedroom protects privacy. It feels like a compact hospitality property moving with you. Then floor 3 shifts toward shared experiences. Kids get their own playing area, adults get the mini bar, and the dance party club creates a dedicated entertainment destination. The men's kits area adds another specialized zone, while the indoor pool delivers a feature people normally expect from a resort. Behind it all, the smart technology control room becomes the brains, before the Sky Lounge provides a finish. We begin in the drive cabin, where the experience starts before the living spaces even appear. The layout is focused on a commanding view of the road, with a premium, modern atmosphere and enough visual separation to make the cabin feel like the cockpit of a high-end touring machine. From here, one doorway leads into floor 1, where the road-going giant becomes a home. The first floor opens into a luxurious lounge built for relaxing, entertaining, and watching the scenery through large windows. Nearby is a bedroom that gives travelers a private place to recharge without leaving the main living level. The kitchen follows, creating a dedicated space for preparing meals on the road, while the bathroom adds everyday convenience. Then comes the office area, giving work its own zone instead of competing with the lounge. But this floor has only introduced the essentials, because the next level changes the purpose of the entire vehicle. Floor 2 begins with a massage area, creating a dedicated retreat for recovery after a long drive. Next is the medication room, designed as a practical private space for storing and organizing essential supplies. The laundry area adds another residential touch, making extended travel far easier. Then comes the gym area, turning this motorhome into a mobile wellness space where workouts can stay on the itinerary. A guest bedroom completes the level, giving visitors a dedicated place to sleep. Yet the real surprise is still higher, where entertainment becomes the main event. Floor 3 opens with a kids' playing area, giving younger passengers a dedicated zone for fun. From there, the minibar area shifts the atmosphere toward adult entertainment. Next comes the dance party club, an ambitious space designed for music, movement, and unforgettable nights without leaving the vehicle. Then we reach the men's kids area, followed by an indoor swimming pool that completely changes the definition of a motorhome. And just when it seems the surprises are over, the smart technology control room brings everything together, offering a central command point for the vehicle's connected luxury features. Next is the Sky Lounge, positioned as the perfect final indoor escape. It gives the upper level a sophisticated gathering space with an elevated atmosphere and a panoramic feel. But don't stop here, because the most dramatic destination has no ceiling at all. The final stop is the luxurious rooftop deck, where the concept reaches its full resort on wheels identity. Picture premium seating, open-air relaxation, elegant surfaces, integrated lighting, and expansive views surrounding the entire space. Up here, the highway disappears behind the experience, and the motorhome becomes a private destination. That is what makes this Kenworth concept so fascinating. The headline may be a claimed $47 million price tag, but the bigger story is how completely the interior reimagines long-distance travel. This is not a verified production specification. It is a luxury concept built around an extraordinary 3-story vision. And if you want more walkthroughs of extreme RV concepts, subscribe now, because the next one could make this mansion on wheels look almost ordinary.